Before making your decision to buy Spike Studio, there are a few things you need to know that could really impact how it compares to other tools out there. In this video, I'll walk you through 7 essential points you need to consider before buying, so you make the best choice for your needs. First off, Spike Studio stands out in the crowded creative tools market because it offers a powerful combination of features, but at a price that's often more affordable than competitors like Adobe or Final Cut Pro. What you'll notice right away is how the software feels intuitive and streamlined, especially for creators who don't want to get bogged down by steep learning curves. But before you pull the trigger, let's dive into some of the key aspects you should know. Next thing to consider is Spike Studio's ease of use. While professional tools like Adobe Premiere and Final Cut can be intimidating, Spike Studio is designed with beginners in mind, while still being robust enough for more advanced users. It offers a very clean interface, making it easy to jump right in. If you're switching from another program, you'll appreciate how quickly you can get the hang of the controls. The third thing is its cloud-based functionality. Unlike many other programs that are tied to your computer, Spike Studio gives you the flexibility to work from anywhere. You can sync your work across multiple devices, which is a huge bonus if you're on the go or collaborating with a team. This cloud integration is one of the reasons it's often compared to something like Canva, but with more power behind the scenes. The fourth thing you'll want to know about Spike Studio is its integrations with other platforms. It seamlessly connects with popular apps like Google Drive, Dropbox, and others. This makes it easier to manage and share your projects across different platforms without the need to constantly export and re-upload. That alone can save you hours of frustration and make Spike Studio stand out from some of the competition. Now, let's talk about pricing. Spike Studio is incredibly cost-effective compared to industry giants like Adobe Suite, especially when you consider the features you're getting. While Adobe can cost hundreds annually, Spike Studio offers a more accessible pricing structure, including a free trial that lets you explore the software's capabilities risk-free. And the best part? You get the best deal on Spike Studio if you follow the link in the description, giving you an exclusive offer and some free benefits. The sixth thing is performance. Spike Studio uses cutting-edge tech to make sure that your projects run smoothly, even if you're working on large files or more complex edits. In my experience, it handles performance-heavy tasks much better than many other budget options out there, and it doesn't crash or slow down when you're working on bigger projects. Whether you're editing video, audio, or even creating graphics, the performance is consistently solid. Finally, let's talk about support and community. One area where Spike Studio truly excels is customer service. If you ever run into issues, their support team is incredibly responsive and helpful. Plus, there's a growing community of users who share tips and tutorials, which can be invaluable as you learn the software. Compared to other tools, Spike Studio is known for having a much more hands-on approach to user support. If you're interested in giving Spike Studio a try for yourself, make sure to click the first link in the description below to get access to an exclusive free trial and some additional benefits that you won't find anywhere else. So, if you're still on the fence, I highly recommend you give it a go.